Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is about how we can remove the error or how we can use the isError function. So we start our example from the scratch. Like for suppose first we need to make the example, and if we are not able to use that example in a proper way, and if we found any error, how we can remove that error by using some sort of function. So here you can see I have used the three columns. First column is employee ID, so I just write here 1001, 1002, and for the remaining IDs what I have to do, I have to select the two cells and drop it down. It will automatically give the remaining cells because I have already created a sequence and it will detect the remaining sequence. Now we need to use the name, so I just use the name randomly, like Harry, Peter, James, Mark, Daniel, and last one is David. Now for the salaries, you can use different functions, like I randomly put the salary here, and I use here random values, or you can use here realistic values. And to make it the currency symbol, you need to select the whole column, and you can see here in the currency portion you need to only click on it, so it will create the currency with symbol. Now I need to erase the decimals, so you can decrease the decimals and you can increase the decimal by using the option. Now first I need to make it more presentable, so I just select whole the box, and after selecting the whole box I need to just go here, and you can see here all border function, so I just click here, so it will create the all border. Now in the alignment function I need to make it center alignment, so I just made it to the central alignment. Now if you want to make the heading bold, so what you have to do, you have to just select the three cells, and you can see here in the bold option I just make the bold, and for the color option you can use the different colors as well. Now suppose I need to know or I need to use the VLOOKUP function, so I just write here the function which is VLOOKUP and its result. This is how you can use the function. Like I just use one random example. So in the VLOOKUP function I just first write here the formula, like I go here in the insert function and you can see here VLOOKUP. I just click here and now it says which value you want to look up, so I just need to select the cell, which means I will put the data in this cell and it should give me the result. So I just put the data in F3 column. Now it says which table, from which table you want to extract the data, so I just select the whole table, which means I need to extract the data from that particular table and its reflection is also occurring in the table. Now it says the column, so we need to find out the name, so the name is in the column number 2, so I just write here 2 and 0 for the value. Now click here, so it says nothing available because I have not wrote any employee ID. Now I just write here 1001, so it gives me Mark. This is the power of the VLOOKUP function. You only need to put the employee ID and it will give you the result, because we want the employee name and we have select the column number 2. And for suppose if I just need to write here 1005, so it gives me error. Now for suppose if I need to write 1006, so it gives me debit because the 1006 is available. But if I wrote any employee ID which is not available here, for suppose if I just write here 2001, it says not available. Available is showing the error, but now we need that if the value is not available, it should give the some message instead of not available. So how we can get the message here? First need to select the cell in which we have used the formula, then we can use before equals to if error, and again need to write here bracket, and after the bracket our own existed formula is written here, then we write comma. It means first it should use the formula here, and if the formula is not working, it should give us the message. And what message it should give, we write here in inverted comma, like employee ID not, or employee ID is not exist, and inverted comma close and bracket close. This is the formula that we have used here, is if error function, and then write here enter, so it gives us the result. Like if we use the employee ID that is written here like 1002, it should give us result. And if we use any value which is not written here, so it should give us the prompt message that is employee ID is not existing. This is the power of is or if error formula, and this is the power of VLOOKUP function that help us to get the value. We can use the if error function in different examples just to get the message if the value is not available. If you face any confusion in this example, you can write in our comment section.